Sisi ane the amount for any upgrade per midfielders. Definitely looking at age, you know. Age factor is very important. And our midfielders are we good at this age, you know, more performing. Oh man, be 2 years or 3 years can one has experience na ba be attach it. Na say kwan or cause nya final say be spend this careful for within the next 3 years as akota another midfielder. But Real Madrid with how omu project, and let me say especially with how omu replacing most of the players.
Yeah.
We've always known Real Madrid to be a club Abu Dhabi or we are attached to Galacticos. Real Madrid the only say ben and no attempts cannot about be fan or the number say chinchina cannot number be seen. But over how Real Madrid tries say omu be replacing most of their players now. Abu Dhabi omu do ba be shema no understanding nipa na obo no. Obo kakra bia no agya ho na wo de ko. Na waba be shim na usi akan e de momo and ni nyina ye kind courtesy of a man ye friend one Khalifa obo no ho modern e de me team friend Real Madrid in terms of getting these particular talents for Real Madrid. Oshe from Casemiro to Abrante friend Vinicius Junior to Federico Valverde and then to Rodrigo and Rick Bunyina na papa we say ana ne nsa sha ase a obo no ho modern say Real Madrid at the end of the day no Abu Dhabi ombetimi enya quality players.
That was Jude Mac Allister.
Yes. On the year said Jumani Ninadema Real Madrid. And I believe the project that Real Madrid no. Abu Dhabi so any name say clubs are hold on I also almost say no musia. Because this is the club obi boa mu make sure say nipa na otenachi no. E quality to say no but experience na be ni ho. Look at Camavinga. And then Camavinga by so ba understanding the likes of Modric or Cruz. But Camavinga na asa so moving the call left back. Asa so tibi bo eboni ye esua under players be to say David Alaba ono ko Austria obo as a defensive midfielder the same Austria no otimibo as a center back and the same Austria nankasa no sase timibo as a left back ye nyina enim Daniel Alaba na say David Alaba from Bayern Munich days say as a left back no a super player iti Abu Dhabi o he Tchouameni ono so ba e be understand Casemiro and sana Casemiro every one of them PM Manchester United. Now you have Federico Valverde who is still understanding the likes of Toni Kroos, understanding the likes of Luka Modric and making sure some moko betimi aba be shema bo aboniye. Then no about have Vinicius and Rodrigo. What we have Vinicius as say ni bia abembebu. But and how Vinicius grow into this particular Real Madrid setup. Look at Rodrigo Goyes. Edu Rebini friend the super sub because on starting games. But then look at how all performing under this particular Real Madrid regime are also under players BT say Karim Benzema. So if you are bringing in players like Jude Bellingham into the setup, what the neighbors also may understanding why Modric or Cruz and make sure say these are players are at the end of the day obetimi aboa ama money team akoye ama ye ka say top players obetimi abeshe Real Madrid jesia Bellingham ebenya opportunity so ba beshi barabu we call something the domino effect. Abra Jude Bellingham born home modern every Borussia Dortmund no case na nkasa ne de tie ne say Jude Bellingham any Real Madrid and Jude Bellingham camp any Real Madrid agree personal terms Brandt ne de wa mo bia ne wiase afa na nyina ate ase say ono obebo e de my Real Madrid but sisi ano is left for Real Madrid so mo ebe negotiate with the team e friend Borussia Dortmund na nka final fee ni nyina no esi by boy ne de wa mo ate ase so ono de Real Madrid na anobebo onyanko Liverpool onyanko Manchester City onyanko any other team bia but Real Madrid it won't be agree na domino effect na sama America na say ono ni move akọ Real Madrid it means say teams be target ebe sisa ebi to say Liverpool ebi to say Manchester United ebi to say Chelsea or Real Madrid say omo pe another midfielder because Kante age catch up they can't rely on Kovacic aka 1 year on team extend it omo nyobi be ka Enzo ho a they say the Enzo assign 8 years no obi fufro so ba beboa ama ne omakoye di amomo iti Abu Dhabi in that particular line of conversations. This is what I spoke about earlier on. Real Madrid omo ye sorted in this particular midfield but Abu ore teams ni players omo hwehwe omo kira kwa na so omo ni abre omo pese omo sense omo dodo na na obe ha branch fan Alex Mac Allister I will see a camera Brighton and Hove Albion or a target the man Liverpool pese omo sign a Brighton we so omo nya Jude Bellingham omo didi nkomo adu akira ma Brighton ne camp na nkasa de omo ma Brighton aya awe say omo pe transfer by transfer no omo pe no omo mpe no after June omo pe no in between May and June ne awie transfer no omo mpe no ma tintin bia asa wo pre-season and asa wako holidays na afi ne be front na brabe debi May or June then Abu Dhabi they are done with it. Now Liverpool show clearer interest. Liverpool approaching boy camp any omo di nkomo extensively about finances of omo Liverpool no about project omo person omo ya under club omo di this Liverpool air train the response from Alex Mac Allister camp, then they'll move on and discuss terms with Air Brighton and Hove Albion to see. Sabranti obetimi abana ontimi ma. Now, you definitely understand. Said they are also looking for players with some Moises Caicedo. So also about the Manuel Ugarte. But Abu, this particular list of midfielders, the level of performance is some identity. And then you definitely have to bear witness as to how these players are performing in these teams. Some be sign your man, some be for munina. Amomunina babesi akai ede amomo. Now way a comparative chat between these particular midfielders are and the choices are these teams no air. Now Abu Dhabi, if you pay close attention to it, you understand the entire bako alternative demand the other.
Okay.
You understand the entire teams new how they na when you bring the ye Jude Bellingham o ye Pasu Messi o ye Probito way air scorer in terms of form player comparison. Now Abu Dhabi the kind Jude Bellingham or Alex Mac Allister, Manuel Ugarte, Moises Caicedo. Now no ye hwehwe mo anu and you may be a key component among these players. The other kind, Jude Bellingham. Jude Bellingham this season for Borussia Dortmund in the Bundesliga. Ultra performance index, which means you can money now. Aboni na aboma. Or ranking na to say Abu Dhabi ono was 72 ultra performance index or compared to Mac Allister Liverpool person with the replace Jude Bellingham no. 66. Then Manuel Ugarte omani abreno Abu Dhabi 10. In the Portugal Premier League, 10 and the Bohano 10 and the Bohano about games 28. Mac Allister about 28, Jude Bellingham about 29. Then Moises Caicedo did 53. It's Liverpool and Bellingham now or move for Mac Allister no. It should convince you and tell you say between Ono and Jude Bellingham no difference in huge.
Yeah.
Then Abu Dhabi will move on key things for midfielders, especially with two touches. Untimi nka so e midfielder abra ball no mobi and you can touch a move and I touch and go ye de na bi pa na call baby now Abu Dhabi who touches now Jude Bellingham 2,150 touches or more involved in the game.
Yes.
Mac Allister 1,887 more involved in the game. Ugarte 1,857 more involved in the game. Then Caicedo 2,222.
Impressive.
And Caicedo we already there or drop it deep.
Yes.
No abeje ball. No initiate it will more touches. He's more involved in the game because of his stamina. Then Abu Dhabi ball recovery is a key. Now make sure that the ejebo of rules and no ntimi anko dia na so fast one day.
Fast will be any so.
Okay? Abrante fellow Jude Bellingham 188 ball recoveries this season. Compared to Mac Allister 183. Manuel Ugarte 218. Then Moises Caicedo 202. So if you are looking for a right balance in terms of a player or touching ball, SLU ball recover the more. Abu Dhabi nipa or your closest and answer among these team nedia. Ka ope balance ake Abrante Fen Moises Caicedo.
Ojana na so pa.
Abu because or touching ball do na Olususu or recover. Ugarte Chen is 16 ball recoveries. Key possession lost. Midfielder ball kutawani appear once baby ni ajibo na free sem. Abu Jude Bellingham. Well, Lusu boss Mako 448.
Jude Bellingham.
Well, Lusu boss Mako 448.
And on the Gavi Mwebe Euro.
And on the Gavi Pedri Mushiadia. On me pressing is then we have Mac Allister dia Abu saying 287. Share the replacement at Liverpool person offer. Quality. Then you look at Ugarte. Ugarte, apart from being a DM, no body in Abu possession loss, Then another key player, Caicedo, 217. Abu, I asked myself, upon all of these things, open, nipo all right balance pa among the listener, Boboni Nana. I say Moises Caicedo.
All balance pa.
All balance. Onwa, omro, omunyina so baby bebre. But all bibi.
Around for me, omo passes ni mom na me see.
Abu,
we are nanka wash show mama me. The old na we are choice the one ebe ba one ebe toss me and say nine.
Abu, omo passes in the Mame sha same free ahaya near fancy. Chances created. Bellingham was 32. Mac Allister 33. Ugarte 15. Moises Caicedo 35.
I mean, Caicedo no. Emezo no the Osefata no nya push no.
Onya push no. And Caicedo among the four of these midfielders is the ideal midfielder. Abu Kanya be because all passes attempted. He has even attempted more passes than any of them.
Yeah, right also.
1,813. Ugarte 1,398. Mac Allister 1,464. Anna Jude Bellingham 1,477. Passing accuracy. Jude Bellingham 82%. Mac Allister 87. Ugarte 91. But Abu Dhabi, a branch of Mac Allister Caicedo 88. My perfect. No, baby. But Abu, look at the passes attempted, passes completed. Abu, among these players, party, the commission would be a branch of Moises Caicedo. Trace per age, pen and one day, any these numbers, no. Also, on the kind. Then me the Jude Beba. Jude will come in because of the exposure. He said Jude will too much experience playing at the top level. Then Mac Allister Beba.
Ansana Mano
Ugarte.
Mate, made us wonderful.